Jacob & Co. Astronomia Dragon White Gold Black. Main features are Jacob & Company. Astronomia Dragon White Gold Black is a truly exceptional and visually striking timepiece. Movement caliber is JCAM 25. Movement type hand-wound mechanical. Number of components 384. Number of joules 42. Power reserve 60 hours. Frequency 21,600 vibration per hour, 3 Hz. Other functions are hours, minutes, double-axis tourbillon, rotating earth and diamond. Case diameter 50 m. Case thickness 25 mm. Case material 18K white gold with black PVD coating. Crystal domed sapphire with anti-reflective coating. Water resistance 30 meters, 3 atm. Dial material titanium. Hands blue Jacob & Company hands. Strap and clasp strap alligator leather. Clasp material 18K white gold deployant buckle. Double axis tourbillon. This complex complication rotates on 2 axes, providing exceptional precision and stability.